Oh, there we go. It's working now.
You should make it like.
We've been live for like a minute and 20 seconds. Nothing's working. There was no microphone.
You should make a candle cat.
Candle cat. Yeah, that's a good idea. I could use that. Make a mold of this. But yeah. So, what have you been up to? Have you been studying Python or Snake? No? Come closer.
I wanted to.
You wanted, but you didn't do it.
I want to, though.
You want to? So what are you gonna do in Python?
What?
You're gonna do some cloud stuff in Python? You're gonna experiment with cloud stuff in Python?
Yeah, I want to make my own game.
A game? You have an idea for a game?
Yeah.
Nice. What's gonna be?
Scary game.
A scary game? Alright.
Yeah, they're scary game. They're scary.
Yeah. So you're gonna do some cloud stuff? You interested in like doing some cloud stuff and putting it online? Yeah.
What like app would I put it on?
Well, you put it on Azure. You would probably like have like a server, at least a leaderboard.
STEM.
STEM? What is STEM?
Isn't it like STEM?
I don't know what you mean. But you're gonna have a leaderboard, so people.
What leaderboard?
Well, so people can play, and they're like, "Oh, here's your score," and you're like top 10, and
That's
then you
like
can
a
have.
Tetris type set. Like it's like.
That's not even the sound.
Yeah, that's Tetris.
Does the sound of
That's
Tetris?
the sound of Tetris.
That is not the sound of Tetris.
That is. 100%.
I'm pretty sure it's not the sound of Tetris.
Sure about that.
Yes, I think you just made random sounds with your mouth and were like.
Isn't that like
You just called it Tetris.
Pac-Man?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. All right.
Have you ever heard of Pac-Man?
I don't know what Pac-Man is. No, I've never heard of it. No, I'm kidding. Of course I've heard of Pac-Man. I'm not.
Are you?
I'm from this
She's a millennial.
this century. I'm a millennial. Yeah, I've heard of Pac-Man. Why are you showing this to people?
Because it's good. You need to like sell them.
And just sell them. I should do a little like live stream of selling them.
Just like
like the TV thing. Like, so if you buy 5 of them now, you get the 6th one for free. Because they're gonna be pairs. So if you get 5, you need to get the 6th one anyway. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a big one, like this size, a bit like coaster.
Why are you making a big one? We do need coasters, so that's a good idea.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a coaster, but I'm gonna use.
You're gonna make a coaster. We are talking about nothing. I like your shelf.
Little pieces of.
Coaster.
I'm just
like
gonna.
a puzzle?
Yeah, it's like decomposed. It's like. Just gonna make a little like puzzle, and it's like here's leftovers of pumpkins, and it's gonna make a big pumpkin.
So, do you think cloud is hard?
Do I think cloud is hard? Yes, every day more than the last.
Do you what is the hardest? What is one of your favorite hobbies?
Favorite hobbies? I don't know. Resin.
What is the hardest hobby you've ever done?
Starting a company.
That
Hands down.
A hobby.
Well, it is until you actually make money. It's a hobby. What are you trying to say? No, you can't.
I'm not.
I'm gonna make a mess. Fine, you can use it.
So, I forgot what I was gonna say. So for your stream, do you do streams a lot?
I don't do streams a lot. This is mine.
Rip some off. I don't want the whole thing. This is so random.
It is very random, but that's the idea of the stream. It's like a random stream where we just talk together about cloud and stuff.
What do you think is most inspiring?
Nowadays,
Yeah.
I'm not sure that there's really anyone that's really inspiring. Like,
No, I meant Okay, but like for young, now for like young cloud people.
For young
like,
cloud people to
like,
look at.
Or coders or whatever you want to call them. Or engineers or whatever.
I don't know. I don't find anybody like particularly like inspiring. Rishab is pretty inspiring, I would say, maybe. Rishab. But it's difficult because the problem is like, and that's one thing that I have coming in my videos, like the problem is like you see all these people publicly like that do cloud, but like at the same time all these people like it's kind of their job to create content, right?
Okay.
So it's like it's tough because the people who need to inspire people are like actual people who do the job like on a day-to-day basis and still have a life outside. You know, because it's like I don't think it's good to inspire people to do cloud and things like this. I don't think it's inspiring to do cloud and things like this with with having to do it on the side, because it gets people into a mindset that, oh, if you want to do good, if you want to do like perform well, you're going to have to work extra on the side. And it's like, no, you should have a life on the side, and ideally not do not do like a ton of cloud. Hey, Boris said hi on your face.
Hi. I love when I get highs on my face.
Yep. You know, maybe somebody's gonna put a slap emoji and you're gonna be slapped in the face.
So.
Oh, don't worry.
It's
it's fine. We appreciate you being here. It's just partly it's just the three of us now, so yeah, we're playing with slime, so we're having fun talking about cloud and who's inspiring, and
we're just talking at this point.
We're just talking. We're just having a conversation over slime.
Just doing a little chat.
Yeah, it's good to see you too. Yeah, little conversation over slime.
Yeah.
Well, look, you just got slapped in the face by Boris.
So, what is something in cloud that you've never like gotten to do?
You know what I want to do, and it's not gonna tell you anything. It's gonna tell people on the stream something. Kubernetes, and like I'm getting at a point where.
What is Kubernetes?
It's. See, that's why I don't want you to. Don't drop it.
I didn't mean to drop it.
Slime is an excellent thing indeed.
Slime is.
This is Cloud9 slime, so very apropos. It's over here. Apropos. Cloud9 slime. So very apropos. But yeah, no, the thing I haven't done is Kubernetes. It's basically a way to create like scalable compute. Yeah, Gabby dropped the slime. It's rude. But it's a way to create scalable compute. Which means like you can have like between like 1 and 1,000 computers like on demand and all that stuff. So yeah. So that's something I want to try and look into.
Off topic, but I do like your setup, like with the desks.
Yeah.
And the what is that? The home grow.
The big box?
Yes.
That's a fireproof box for the 3D printer, so it doesn't catch on fire. The child is bored. Yes, I do. Yeah. When I was explaining Kubernetes, you're just like, your eyes were like, yeah, I have slime. I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah, I do want to tackle that next too. But it's tough. It's tough to find time to commit to things. So
where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully not working where I work now.
Why?
Because I want new experiences.
What if people from your work see this and they fire you?
They won't fire me, but at the same time, it's like, you know, in 5 years, that would be like almost 10 years working there, you know?
Oh, wait. No, it would be 8.
In 5 years, I started in 2018. So,
No, I thought
Started in 2018.
You did?
Yep.
That's good for you.
Hello Nigeria.
I'm so excited. Oh, hi. I'm so excited for you to just like. Where do you see? Do you think you've grown over the years? Like, where you are right now?
Yeah, definitely. I've learned a lot of things that I didn't know before.
If you were younger, like when you first started doing cloud, what do you think you would say to yourself?
You know what? That's funny. I actually have a video that's like about starting like this, about like where to start your career in cloud computing. And I would say just do what you're doing, because like you should start doing technical support. Are you dropping slime again?
No, it was a little bit.
Yeah, I would start in technical support if I had to start my cloud computing career again, just because I think it's the best place to start in general. Nope, I'm good. So that's what I would say to myself if I had to start again. But then I would say to myself,
no, what do you think you would say to?
You will feed me your goat? No, don't feed me your goat. I like goat. Goat is delicious. But
it is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You've had it?
I've had goat, yeah.
You had frog? Like frog legs?
Yes.
Did it actually taste like chicken?
It did taste like chicken.
Have you ever had snails?
No, that's disgusting.
I'm gonna have snails. Snails seem pretty good.
Didn't you try snails one day and you were like just grossed out?
Didn't you, have you ever had duck eggs?
Duck eggs?
Yeah, like...
Oh, no, I haven't.
Like duck eggs? No.
See, even Boris says goat is yummy. But yeah.
How old were you when you did, cloud?
French eggs is a rite of passage, yep. I was 25 years old. Yep.
And you're still 25
That was
today?
that was 2 years ago, so.
But you're still 25 today?
I am. And that will be for as long as I am alive.
Okay.
What other age is there?
2.
2?
When you were born, you were 25?
No, I was 20. I was a normal number until I was 25. Then I stopped counting, and then that's how it is. Escargot is disgusting. I'm not even gonna touch it.
Escargot?
It's snails.
Oh yeah.
It's just, it looks slimy.
Have you ever had it?
All right, see you, Anne. Go have fun with your goat.
Have fun with the goat. Don't feed it to anybody on the stream.
Well, on the stream, yeah. Well, you have to go to Nigeria to get the goat. So.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
So, how do you think you would react? Like, is there any wrong way to start doing cloud?
I think the wrong way to start doing cloud is to do it for the money. I mean,
you
not
did
that
it
it's...
for the money.
No, I didn't do it for the money.
Literally,
I did it because I
asked
liked
you.
it.
No, I asked you and you're like, oh, I need a job, so.
No, I got into IT because I needed a job. It's not really the greatest way to start a job. But, like, it's a tough job to do. Just like any job in general, like, doing it for the money is not a great way to start a job. But, you know, yeah, you have to do what you have to do. But it's not a way to really start a career. If you want to start a career, you shouldn't do it for the money. Just because it's tough to make it through if your only motivation is just money, you know?
Why'd you start this channel? To inspire? Just for
to make money.
To make money, yeah.
No.
Also, gotta get that cash.
Yeah, right now I'm making like $0. So, yeah, or you will be miserable. Yeah, if you just start with if you do it just for the money, you're gonna be miserable because it's just tough. That's why teachers are teachers, because they're not doing it for the money, sadly. But wait, what was your question again?
I said, why did you start this channel?
Why did I start this channel? The money. No, because I wanted to inspire and I wanted to share things and document things and, you know, try something new. Because, like, one thing I did is I started my company, and I found, like, the most difficult thing for starting a company was to do, like, the marketing and all that stuff, and I was like, the successful companies have like people as their face and not just companies. You know, because I was doing marketing as a company. I was like, you know what? Maybe I should like give to the community and be somebody in the community before I start selling to the community. Not that I necessarily was going to sell anything with Koopy, but
If money was no object,
yeah.
why would you try?
No, I'll answer. I'm just finishing my sentence. Yeah. No, but like, not that I didn't want to wanted to sell anything, but you know, it's like, why should I trust you when that's a, you know, here's why you should trust me, and I can contribute and help you. So that's why I started it, but I like it. All right, if money was no object and you had to travel, where would you go?
I already know.
my, where would you go?
I know where you would go. France.
Yeah, but, no.
You would want us to live there, like you literally said. Like,
Yeah.
you know,
Well, my thing is like money is is an object, but at the same time, it's also not an object given the state of the world.
It's a hypothetical. Why are you bringing politics into this?
How do you know I'm about to bring politics?
Because you just said it.
I didn't say I was gonna bring politics. No, my thing is like, okay, there's places I want to visit, but I can't visit, or I'm gonna be murdered. So, you know.
Just if you weren't gonna get murdered, like.
One place
like,
I would love. One place I would love to go to is Dubai. I'd love to see Dubai.
I wanna go to Cancun.
Even though it's not really
I don't want to like go. I just want to go to a resort in Cancun. I want to go to Cancun.
All right, we can go to Cancun.
Like I was promised Cancun, and then it got to Florida, and.
But then we went to France, so there you go.
I wanted to go to Cancun, not Florida. I mean, France.
You went to the south of France.
I want to go to Cancun.
All right, we'll go to Cancun.
Cancun is my one and only dream.
Yeah. Your one and only dream. All right.
Bucket list. Bucket list.
Bucket list, Cancun. All right. We can do that. Can make it happen. No birthday presents. Just save money for Cancun.
We could go either next summer or like spring break.
Next summer or spring break. Boris is Cancun versus France. It's not a contest.
Cancun. Like,
Cancun. I would go to Cancun. I have to say.
In Cancun.
I don't know that I would live there, but let's just say that. Well, if money was no object and I could stay there for the rest of my life without worrying about money, yeah, I would probably go to Cancun.
I would go to I would go to Cancun or Dubai sounds nice.
So we have to go to.
But why Dubai?
Because Cancun. Well, why Dubai? He's saying Cancun is great, but come on. Yeah. That being said, yeah, the food in France.
It was good.
It's delicious. So why Dubai? Because it's like all these like gigantic buildings, all these like crazy things like in the middle of the desert. Even though it's definitely made on like slavery and things like that, so it's not great. But if we remove the politics and we remove the everything and we just say where can you go, yeah, Dubai is a place I'd want to go.
What have you? So you've been to a couple countries. Which country did you hate the most and would never go back?
America.
That's not funny. You're already here. This cat is like mooning me.
Cat? Well, where's the cat? Oh.
It's like cat's booty.
Which country would I not go back to? England.
Why England?
Because I can't drive there. I'm just terrified. If I have...
So you walked everywhere?
No, we had a bus driver and like a family. We were there for like a week. It was like in school. But like...
School?
Yeah, we took a field trip to England in school. But like...
For a week?
Yeah.
School?
Yeah.
School. Like SCHOOL.
Yeah, school.
School.
Yeah, with the
school.
It's an English field trip. Field trip.
Did you learn?
Also
were
went
you
with-
like a little English?
No, I didn't learn any English. But
Their cuisine sucks too. Is it bad? Is it like that?
yeah, their cuisine sucks too. Yeah, England is not known for its cuisine, but cuisine. But yeah, it's it's weird. Yeah, actually, a lot of the countries I've been to were through school.
France rules.
I went to Italy on a school field trip. On a school field trip. On 2 school
for
field
like
trips.
a month.
No, we did a
just,
week.
Like, for like a month, you know.
One was
we just went and had a great little time. Like
one was 3 days, and the other
that, like,
one was 3 days. The other one was a week.
I love how you say that so nonchalant.
But when you're in Europe, like, you can go to another country without having to travel like hours and hours away. You want to go?
No, I have to.
You can go. All right, kid is leaving.
I'll be right back.
Kid is leaving us. Okay, I don't know what's happening.
I'll be right back.
Be right back. Okay. Yeah. I have 2 videos coming up. I made 1 video. I recorded. Yeah, everything is 2 hours away. Not even, like, depending on where you are, like from the southeast of France, you're basically an hour away from Italy. So it's great. Yeah, I have 2 videos coming up this week. Not this week. I recorded 1 video, but then I realized I can split it in 2, so I'm just gonna make it 2 videos. So I'm excited. I have like 4 videos in the pipeline. So yeah, the Swiss Alps are great. Skiing and going there in the winter and skiing there is awesome. I love the Italian. I did ski in the Swiss Alps. The Italian Alps are great too. The French Alps too. I don't know about the Spanish Alps. Those are just horrible. But yeah. But anyway. Yeah, so 3 videos coming up. I have to edit them. Some of them I may not even do. Actually 4. 4 videos total that I have in the pipeline. 2 of them I don't know that I will do. But, you know. Is this like going very high? Yeah. But anyway, kid's gonna come back soon. Yeah, cloud has been tough lately. Every time I'm getting at a point where we've done so much cloud that we have enough under our belt that we keep adding more and more stuff, and more people are requesting it, and it's becoming more and more work. So work is going good. Work is busy. Very busy nowadays. Like I was saying, more stuff is happening. So it's gonna be great. I'm really hoping we can hire somebody. I think right now what I need is a cloud data engineer. That's what I would like. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen with that, but there are needs. There are gonna be more needs. I'm not looking forward to Germany. I'm looking forward to meeting on a professional level. Yes, on a personal level, I'm not looking forward to it. Just being away from my family for 2 months. Being in a country that I don't really know. You know, I'm 100% sure I will be homesick for the first week or 2. So, yeah, maybe not 2 weeks. Maybe it's gonna take me 3 weeks, because I've been there for 2 weeks and I wasn't homesick. But yeah, no, it's yeah, it's gonna be an interesting trip. I'll make live streams. I don't know if I should take my mic. What equipment I should bring with me. But I'll try to do live streams.
Hello?
Yeah. My biggest fear is that there's not gonna be great internet there, so I won't be able to actually live stream over there.
Did you hear me scream?
Yes, I think everybody heard you scream.
Was it really loud?
It was terrifying. I thought somebody was murdering you. Look at that little cactus. That's cute.
Yeah, I love it.
You do that instead of doing Python.
Yeah, I was painting. Do you love it?
We'll coat it so that it's the same like this material.
It's very glossy.
Glossy.
I want it to be glossy.
You want it glossy?
Glossy.
Alright, we're gonna make it glossy.
Glossy. Ice water.
Can I see this one?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like gross.
It's
Anyway.
not gross. You're so mean to it.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that this one's not constantly screaming. Well,
Wait,
not always.
Did they hear it?
If I wasn't used to hearing constant screaming at my house, I'd be worried. Yeah, he heard you scream. So.
Yeah, I need to go borrow something. And Mom came in and she's like, "What are you doing?" And I screamed because she scared me.
Where was she? She was in the room?
Yeah, like she
Okay.
was in your bedroom.
That's terrifying.
Yeah, she was like really scary with it. Like she looked like a murderer.
Okay.
Like she's like.
It happens. Sometimes she just gets in the mood. I'm kidding. But yeah.
So
Do you keep dropping your slime?
it's okay. It's a good little slime.
We need to fill the top. Yeah, it's difficult.
I'm gonna.
I bought some Legos. I have the. I need to drill the holes to do these lights. Wait, how do I do it? These lights.
You're probably not gonna be in here long enough to do that because aren't we switching back soon?
Yeah, if we switch back, it's gonna be much easier to have a background. But this background is just too tall. It's just so much.
I think I have too much stuff.
I'm just gonna fill up all the shot glasses. I have way more.
Yeah, I don't know what happened because you had a lot more than me.
I actually found them the other day.
And then
They're
you
in this
lost one.
box. I have a whole box of shot glasses.
Yeah, I don't know if I can fit up here because my stuff is a lot. Like I have a lot of stuff.
Wait, why are you coming up here? I thought you were going downstairs.
Am I going downstairs when the comes?
When my parents? No, we'll see if we'll see. We're not talking about this here.
Why you need to have like a bed up here so I can sleep up here because I'd rather sleep up here.
You can't sleep up here. It's 85 degrees up here.
It's
Like
100.
it's so hot that like if you slept up here, you would have to be like more than naked. You'd have to like take off your skin to cool down properly. That's how hot it is.
When I was in here, I used to wear blankets. Like I
You're
had
crazy.
blankets on.
You're
I had
crazy.
blankets on.
You're crazy.
It's just so crazy that it's.
Yeah.
I just think that.
Even in the winter, yeah.
It's the hottest.
But that's a great thing because then when I'm here during the week, I don't have to turn on the heat.
Well, are you excited for? Oh, I'm going to 6th grade.
You're going into 6th grade. Good job.
So, I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Do you have any advice for me?
Don't mess it up.
That doesn't mean anything to me.
Yeah, it's the perfect office space. No, it's great. I just don't like how tall this is, and so when I make videos and things like this, I mean, thankfully it stops right here when I make the video, but at the same time it also goes down. But yeah.
Don't be nervous.
Don't be. Yeah, you got this.
I don't
Honestly,
got
it's
this.
fine.
What is the advice? Like,
Well, you know what?
Was it easy? Was it hard?
All I have to say is I didn't go to 6th grade the same way you went to 6th grade.
Why?
Because I did
France is
French.
different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, how were you when you went to 6th grade, which was years ago?
Well, when I went to 6th grade, I actually moved to the U.S.
Okay, then were you nervous?
I was nervous, but at the same time, it was great.
But then didn't you move back like 5 seconds later?
2 years later, yeah.
Yeah.
But then I also had like more classes than you will have, and I have different classes. Like for example, I started learn, other kids
learn, like, English, so
started learning English. Yeah, I started learning English in first grade.
Yeah.
But in second grade actually, started learning English in second grade. So, but yeah, don't be weird. Oh, well, I guess that's not gonna work. You already failed that one. You got 1 whole month to be unweird.
I don't think I can do that. Like, I'm nervous.
About being weird?
Yeah, I do have I have an extra day. Like, I have a couple extra days for vacation. I have like 3 days of vacation time.
What does that mean?
It means I get in the latest, like, out of all the schools.
Nice.
I think Garfield gets in first.
Be yourself. Unless you're weird, then don't be yourself. You're too weird to be yourself, Gabby. I'm kidding. Don't do that. Don't eat the comment. You're weird.
Why'd you do this? Like, you just do a little...
Yeah.
So, listen.
No, you listen.
If you couldn't do cloud, what else would you do?
Oh, if I would be doing software development. 100%.
No, like nothing related to cloud.
Nothing. Software development doesn't have to be related to cloud.
Not that. Choose something else.
If I could do something not related to technology, what would I do?
Yes.
Honestly, even though I can't play any music, if I could, I would be a music composer or whatever.
Would you be like a producer? Or would you be like la 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 la?
No, I don't think I could. I have the talent to be a musician, but I mean I don't. But if I learned it, I think I could make music. Like create music for other people to actually do it.
Marshmallow Guy.
Like Marshmallow Guy, yeah.
And the Alan Walker.
And the Alan Walker, but he makes his own music. Yeah, I could be a DJ. That would be fun.
No, Mom would leave you in a second.
Not if I was a millionaire.
No, she would not. I don't support
She
you.
will not leave me if I'm a millionaire. That's how.
Are you saying she's a gold digger?
I'm not saying no because she's with me now that I'm a minus thousandaire, but if I'm a millionaire, she's good. You wish you were recording what? This is all being recorded, Boris. This is being recorded. What was he talking? Wait, I was looking for something on my.
What were you looking for?
I don't know what I was looking for. I was like, I'm gonna bring something up, but then I forgot what I was bringing up. So
look at the down thingy. Like, put your.
What down thingy?
I think. Oh no.
Okay, thank you.
Your room.
I'm weird.
Your room is getting to me. Like.
What's that face? We're just gonna. There you go. There you go. This is difficult. I don't know how they do it. The forced perspective.
I feel like kind of like a podcaster, and that's not great. That's like a red flag.
We should do a podcast.
Podcasts are good, not done by people.
Who else would
I don't want to get like political with it.
Podcasts are better if they're done by nobody. As in, podcasts are best if they don't exist.
Yes. Podcasts are only good when they're not done by misogynistic people.
That's true. I think life in general is better when it's not done. I think that there's a long list of things that are better when you're not misogynistic.
Misogynist.
What? I don't know if that's how you say it.
You said it right.
I said it right. Then why are you making fun of me?
You said it weird. Like, I don't know.
Look, let's be clear. I speak at least
500 languages.
At least 2 languages fluently. How many do you speak fluently?
2.
No, you don't. You barely speak 1 fluently.
I speak.
So don't
3,
make fun of
5.
my accent until you
5.
can do better than I can, okay?
I will do Duolingo right now on this stream.
Yeah.
Get that Duolingo. How do you say girl in German if you're so good?
Frau. Frau.
I don't need you to spell it. I'm just like, how do you say boy?
I don't know. See, I say things with a French coolness. That's what I do.
Super cool.
You can't. I am super cool.
Weren't you looking for like for that? Weren't you looking?
I'm not looking for that. No.
No, like a profile thing or whatever.
The profile thing, the
Select a profile.
The CIDR thing. This?
Yeah. What even is that?
That's CIDR ranges.
I don't know what that is, guys.
You don't know what a CIDR?
The more you say it, the more I don't know.
Let me see if I can find if this is good.
What does Boris do?
He's a manager.
That's cool. Good for him.
I know, right?
What does he do though? Like manage?
He managed things.
Just like the world.
Can do this. Share screen. The camera.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. See, that's CIDR range.
But I still don't know what it is.
It just tells you, like, if you're like, whatever, it's like how many addresses you have based on like the slash at the end.
Are you good?
It's like important.
Are you good or bad?
Am I good? I just wanted to know how much /20 was.
How much is /20?
4,096.
That's really good.
So yeah. So yeah.
Oh, he does IT.
He does do IT.
Well, I asked you that and you said nothing. Like you just said.
I didn't say he does nothing.
You
I said he
just said
manages.
like he's a manager. Like we keep glitching. Like we keep going like.
I don't know if it's like lagging or not. It is important.
It is important. Wait, what is?
I don't know what -2 was, but like it's important. -2. Oh look, we can do this. But yeah.
I want to do some resin. I want to learn that resin.
All right, I've got tons of resin.
What got you into resin?
I just like that it's like liquid and then you make it take the shape of whatever. Oh, 4,096 -2.
You get to. Be
And on
God.
Azure, it's at least -5.
You get to be God with resin.
And it's classless. Yeah, I will believe you. I don't really know networking that well, so. No, resin is great because like you can take like a mold and then you put it liquid and it just takes the shape of what you want it to do and then you just make multiple. Like I have like all these like pumpkins. I have like tons of.
Yeah, I don't know why you made some.
to...
What about like the knives or the counts? Like I want the. Counts.
Well, I'm trying to perfect the. Look at like all these pumpkins. I have tons of pumpkins.
I'm gonna take that little ring over there. Thank you so much. That was so nice of you.
Yeah.
So, if you were.
It's not a resin printer. It's
You gotta show off your resin printer one day.
It's just resin.
I don't. Is there such thing as a resin printer?
Not that I know of. Oh yes, there is. There is. I don't have a resin printer. I have a regular printer.
I want to see what it looks like.
It's liquid. Like I print the. Can you give me the thing?
Where? What thing?
The detergent box.
Why is there stampies?
Like I do this. I print it with like PLA, then I make a mold of it, and then I put the resin in it.
Yeah.
No, I don't have resin printer. I'll show you what a resin printer is.
So you see.
I have regular PLA boring printer. One day.
So what is one thing you hate about being a part of the cloud?
Money.
Stop with the money. Like, no.
It's always the money. I spend so much of my day trying to make sure we don't spend. No, it's not time. I just don't want to spend all my day figuring out how to save money. Like, I just want it to be cheap, and then I just do my job.
I am so good at cutting costs.
That's what I do.
I'm like literally so amazing at it. I should be like a home renovator.
A home renovator?
Or like a designer of homes.
If you want, you could make money.
I could. I make big. So, like, I don't know what to say.
Yeah, I don't know what to say either.
Ask us the
I need to like really prepare for these, or at least like put them well in advance so people can prepare questions. Yeah.
So, what is your latest video?
I have 2 latest videos. How to get promoted.
Latest video.
No, I have 2.
I want to be a teacher or a lawyer.
Why? Why would you want to?
Why not?
No, but why? I'm not telling you that you shouldn't. I'm asking you, why do you want to do it?
I've always liked teaching things. I don't know how to explain it. And like, why for a lawyer, or just why for like everything?
Why do you want to be alive? No, I'm kidding. You can teach law, exactly. You be a lawyer and then you teach law, and then that's.
I like to combine the two things.
You don't like. Yeah, the law has to stay separate from teaching.
It's just a rule to me.
It's a rule. That's.
No. Yeah. Or a professor.
Gabby's
like
been
a professor.
That's what he's saying. A law professor.
No.
What would you teach? Teaching?
Money. I don't. Yeah, probably teaching.
You can teach teaching.
Teach.
There's teachers in like education professor. Yeah. Why?
My favorite movie is Scream. It's a good movie. You like are so mean to me for liking it. You're like, you like horror movies? Why? Because it's my first like scary movie I've ever seen, so I just wanted to be.
Now people are gonna call the cops on us for making you watch Scream.
You made me watch it.
For allowing you to watch Scream.
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Of you.
I'm tired of me too, but you don't see me complaining.
So, are you excited for Caroline?
Oh, how about me?
Yeah, what's your favorite movie?
Life is Beautiful.
And I like the Coda. Isn't it Coda?
Coda was good, yeah.
Yeah, Coda's good. It's like a girl is the only hearing one in her family.
Child of deaf adults.
Yeah. There's a girl like that. Yeah. She's like, she has 2 sisters that are, like, one is hearing, one is half deaf, and she's half deaf, and her parents are deaf, and yeah.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yep.
What is the saddest thing you've ever seen in cloud or engineering or IT or software?
You know, I was thinking of doing a series about like Tales from IT.
Yes, that's like, so fun.
I was like, because there's like a few there's a few things. The funniest, saddest thing I've seen is called Left Pad. The story of Left Pad.
Is it like an actual story?
Yeah.
What
Left
is?
Pad.
It's just gonna be like stupid, and you're just gonna like be really mean.
No.
About
but
it.
This is important. This is a critical piece of the internet.
Is it? Like, I've never heard of left pad. Sounds like a pad.
Left pad. This is the piece of code. Left pad. That's it.
It's just it's pad?
No, actually there's more to it. Explore. Can I see the code? But it's small, right?
Okay, and that's why it's sad?
But here's the thing. No, the thing that's sad is that so many... Oh, there you go. Actually, it's here. Let me see.
Does it show what it does? Like,
let me see if I can find the code, because I think it's important. That's it. Those lines of code.
Okay.
Left pad.
That seems like a lot, though.
But it's not. It's not a lot. But here's what happened with left pad. This guy who created left pad just shared it with everyone. And then people were like, oh, I don't have to rewrite this function. This left pad is just to add like text to the left. And so many libraries libraries like pieces of code that do something, they depended on this dependency.
So how
and instead of like hard coding it into the code, they were like, just go there and look for left pad, and you'll have it. But then this guy one day decided, I don't really want to do GitHub anymore. I don't really want to support this piece of code anymore. It's tiny, nobody cares. And he deleted it. But everybody cared, and this piece of code basically broke the internet. I don't remember when that was, but this piece of code being removed from GitHub broke the internet. Because everybody was using it, and when he deleted it, everything stopped working. Like almost half the internet, I don't remember the number, but a lot of...
Did someone like recreate it?
2016.
Well, I thought of that.
In 2016, this guy just... I'm trying to see if they say... Yeah, March 22nd.
Like, did someone recreate it?
Because they were like Boris just said, because they were referencing it directly, and he.
But how did he think nobody was using it?
Because he didn't really know. He didn't really have statistics. Can you stop? He didn't really have statistics on how it was used, so he just deleted it. But what happened is it basically forced Microsoft or GitHub, I don't know if it was part of Microsoft at the time, to restore his code from backup, which is something they never do, but they're forced to restore it because everything broke on the internet. Everything. And so that's the story about how this few lines of code broke the internet in 2016. So that was an interesting story of the internet. So that's one sad thing.
But like, how is it sad? Because he like kind of broke the internet?
No, it's sad because like so many highly professional people, open source people referenced it in a bad way, thinking this code is going to be there forever, and then when it wasn't, everything broke.
I have a weird thing that I know, and I don't know if you know this. Like, Microsoft made a phone or whatever.
They made a what?
They made a phone.
Yeah, everybody knows they did that.
No, but like, and they like hosted like a funeral. It was because they like were saying like, oh, we're the best phone, and like we're gonna all the iPhones and Samsung or like whatever are gonna be dead. They're all gonna use Microsoft.
Yeah. Oh,
and
that's
then
fun.
Nobody bought it.
Yeah, nobody bought it.
Everyone thought it sucked.
And Boris assumes that I know why a programming bug is called a bug. Do you know why a programming bug is called a bug?
Because it's buggy.
Well, I think I read somewhere that this story isn't true, so I'll have to double check. But basically, computers were gigantic machines that were connected to each other And when you had to fix a computer, you had to go physically inside the machine, right? It wasn't tiny. It was a whole building size of machine, and it would just keep. It was like gears. It was like all that mechanical stuff, and one day there was a problem with a program, and the reason for the problem for the program was because there was a bug, a physical insect inside the machine that was making it not work.
That's crazy.
So
that's why actually an interesting story.
That's why it was called a bug, because there was a physical bug inside the machine to make it not work. So that being said, there are still disgusting computers that actually have bugs in them, like physical bugs. That's disgusting.
Have you ever had a bug in your computer?
No. But usually they don't last long, because computers, especially when they run, they're like hot and they don't want to... Yes, in cloud we call them features.
I know I asked you this a couple of years ago when you first started your channel.
Wow. Do you think I would remember?
Yeah, no. But
Go ahead.
You probably will. I asked, why can't I say your company? Like, the name of your company or whatever?
Oh, because I didn't want to promote it.
Yeah, I feel like you didn't.
But I didn't promote it. I think it's dead. Is it dead? I think it...
The company is dead?
The company is dead, yeah. The company is...
Like, it just went down? Are you still sharing my screen?
I'm not sharing my screen. Yeah,
no,
there's...
not that company.
Oh, the company I work for?
Yeah, you shut that off, right?
This company is shut off. My company is shut off.
It's kind of sad. You should promote it. No.
I don't... I turn it off. I killed the company because I paid $450 of tax in taxes every year.
Oh, I remember what I was going to ask you. I was going to
nothing.
ask, like, not the bug guy, the left page guy.
Left pad?
Whatever. Was it costing him money? Is that why he stopped?
No, he just didn't want to have it there anymore. He was like, you know what, that's a silly piece of code that I wrote and I don't really care about it anymore. And he deleted it.
So, like, can people still use it? Like,
yeah, because they I don't know if they forced him to put it back, or they
went up to his house and was like, give us left pad back now.
Or I think they actually put it back for him because it broke the internet. Like it was a major outage. Like think TikTok not working, think Facebook not working, Google not working.
Facebook
yes, major problems in the world. Websites could not work. Huge. I have a few other stories from IT.
What is your least favorite thing? I'm trying to, like, give myself a book.
Why?
Well,
what's my least favorite thing about what? Just in general?
Least favorite thing about... I don't know, like, my brain is not working. I'm so, like...
It happens.
Taking questions from the chat.
Boris has been, like, asking questions.
He's cool.
He's cool, yeah.
He's cooler than me.
If we talk in terms of, what is it? The Good Place? As,
Stop.
as, what's his name? Jason Mendoza would say, you're an 8. You're a solid 8.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, he's like, you're an 8. Out of how much? 15. Wait, what? That's bad. No, it's like, it's a curve. Like, 8 is the best, but then you're too cool, so it goes down. That was the ranking for, like, how they chose the people in their dance crew. Like, they want them to be cool, but not too cool. So the best number was 8. He's a solid 8 out of 15. So, yeah.
I just want to say, you are pretty cool.
I'm acceptable, I guess.
What
I'm
was
pretty
your-
cool within this house.
What was your biggest fear starting what's it called? YouTube.
The biggest fear starting YouTube is that people were gonna be mean. But now I don't care. Hey, don't why?
Mean.
Why are you punching me?
Because I'm mean. I'm a boy.
Mean people don't punch me in the face. They write comments.
That's trolls, Carolyn. Carolyn is cool. Thank you.
I'm not cool.
Carolyn's like blushing. She's like,
Oh.
okay.
I wouldn't go that far.
I need a minute. What happened to your tree guy?
I wouldn't go as far as to
Why
say
did
that.
you-
Look at that. I wouldn't go as far as to say that. Look at that. This is.
Oh wait, that's Mom. Why do you have random photos of me?
You're the one who left them there.
No, I put them in as a keepsake for you, like just so you have a little memory of me.
This is. Oh, this is working. Look at
When
that.
I go to college, what will you do with my room? Keep it the way it is? Or...
This is cool. This is still working.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. That was cool. I love that.
This is my biggest achievement programming wise.
Yeah,
Look at
I
that.
love that for you. Wait, I thought you were gonna promote it.
Well, it's dead, so I can promote it. But see, look at that. I wrote all this code from scratch.
Yeah, that's cool.
Like,
I
doo-doo.
remember you staying up long nights.
Wait, I thought I could click on it and it would do something.
No, I thought it was dead, Cal.
Like you can just do this, and you have like
This
stuff
is
like
cool.
that, and then you can create a PowerShell script, and then it just downloads it, and then it like.
Okay.
Can I move the camera?
No.
No, I'm moving the wrong things. Can I undo this?
You
There we go.
are a pretty cool person.
Look at this. It just wrote this code for me.
So that was what your app was about?
That was my app. It just wrote PowerShell code for you.
I'm pretty proud of
Look
you.
at this. This is like 700 lines of code
I'm pretty proud of you. For that.
written on your behalf with just this.
I'm proud of you for that. That's like really good.
Isn't it nice? That's. I'm very proud of this code. That is just.
I'm kind of sad that you know, like, stopped and like.
And there's
made
like
it dead.
so like. I don't know. That was.
Boris said that's insane.
Look at this.
I think you shouldn't have like logged out or whatever.
Frozen
you do.
executable. Does this work? Oh yeah.
I don't think you should have made it dead because it's kind of cool.
Yeah. Maybe I'll write. I need to transfer it, but yeah, this was very fun. I liked it a lot. I wonder if this one still works.
I'm really proud of this. I'm sorry to bring it up, but I'm proud of it. Dude, Carolyn.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm tired.
Yeah, this might actually still work, actually.
Did you not shut it off? I love how you're getting so into this right now.
I am getting into this because I haven't seen it in like over a year.
No, it's been like 2.
Yeah, it actually still works. This code still works. Isn't that crazy?
I mean, you shut it off, but you didn't like shut it off.
I'm very proud of myself.
You should be. A single mom who works 2 jobs who loves her kids and never stops.
Oh yeah, and they also did. That's right. They also did the command line for you. Generated the command line for you.
Me?
Yeah, you specifically.
Specifically me.
Look at this. You can say boom. I want uninstall or no details and.
Ooh, my hair looks good. Can I slurp really quick?
Don't slurp. That's creepy. Don't do it. You weird. That's how you know you're gonna fail 6th grade. If you stop, you're
the
gonna.
teachers are gonna think I'm weird and say, "You failed 6th grade."
I'd be less worried about the teacher than I am about your peers. Stop, you weirdo. You're weird. All right, we're at 1 hour.
I'm gonna stop.
I think that was fun.
It was
We
a
had fun.
little stream. I loved it.
You loved it.
I would do it again.
Do it again.
I rate this stream a 0. I'm kidding. No. I liked it. It was fun. Okay, bye.
You rated like 3 buttholes.
3 cat buttholes.
Yeah. Wait, is that the rating? Cat buttholes?
Yeah, is that what we're gonna do? Cat buttholes?
It's Mystic Quest or Mythic Quest.
Thanks, Caps.
Why are you being weird?
I'm trying to put it on my head. I'm trying to do like a little.
All right.
Cool
We'll end it here. This
ending. Why are you covering my face?
is because you're being weird. Thank you, Boris. Thank you
Thank you for
everyone
being so
else
supportive.
who watched.
Thank you for being so supportive.
Boris is the best.
Yeah, he is. He's better than us. So.
He's better than us. He's better than everyone. He's the best.
He is. He's too
All
big
right.
for us.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Boris.
Bye.